they wanted me, they should have come a long time ago, because I was much more vulnerable then. I've sort of covered my ass. Naturally, if you speak about these things, you can't do anything particularly illegal. And I am, perhaps I'm foolish in the sense that I shouldn't be worried about being arrested. I should be worried about being shot. If that's how they play the game, then I'm in big trouble, because they'll just come and shoot me, and you too if you get into this. But if we actually have a legal system that works, then this is called advocacy, and it's not a crime. It's an exercise of the First, Fourth, and I don't know, a couple of other amendments to the Constitution. Henry David Thoreau, you don't get more American than that, said that if you are right, you are a majority of one. And we live by majority rule. I don't feel heroic. I mean, it's not false modesty or anything. I don't feel heroic doing this. This is really humdrum to me. I just could not behave any other way because of what I've seen. I mean, this transcends laws. All that is it's seen as preposterous.